M1 Finance Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description. M1 Finance is a powerful financial tool designed for investors who want automated portfolio management combined with customization and commission-free trading. Unlike traditional brokerages, M1 Finance uses a unique PI investing structure that allows users to build and manage diversified portfolios with stocks and ETFs. The platform also integrates seamlessly with M1's banking and borrowing services, making it a strong choice for holistic financial management. This tool is ideal for long-term, hands-off investors, as well as those who want some level of customization without active trading. M1 Invest offers automated portfolio rebalancing, letting users set target allocations and letting the platform handle the rest. Investors can choose from expert-curated portfolios or create their own using fractional shares, making it easy to diversify with minimal capital. The Smart Transfer feature helps users automate cash flow between investing, borrowing, and banking, optimizing financial efficiency. Additionally, M1 Plus, the platform's premium membership, unlocks features like multiple daily trading windows, lower borrowing rates, and cashback rewards on the M1 credit card. Strengths include automated investing with full customization, no commissions, and seamless integration with M1 Borrow and M1 Spend, creating an all-in-one financial ecosystem. The fractional investing system makes diversification easy, and automatic rebalancing ensures that portfolios stay aligned with target allocations. M1 Finance also has strong security features, including two-factor authentication and encryption for data protection. Weaknesses include limited trading flexibility. There are no real-time trades, options trading, or mutual funds, which may be a drawback for active traders. The free version only offers one trading window per day, meaning investors don't have full control over execution timing. Additionally, M1's research tools and market data are more limited compared to platforms like Fidelity or Schwab. Overall, M1 Finance is an excellent choice for long-term investors looking for an automated yet customizable approach to portfolio management. If you prefer passive investing with automated rebalancing and low costs, this tool is a great fit. However, active traders and those seeking advanced market research may need additional tools. Check the links in the description to explore M1 Finance and see how it fits your investment strategy.